Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe is a quick one, but a good one. We're going to make an immune boosting shot that's perfect to kickstart your mornings. Only a few ingredients involved here. We've got some lemon and orange, ginger, turmeric, and MANUKA honey. We're going to blend those up all together in the Vibe blender to make ourselves a concentrated shot rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You're going to love this one. The good thing about using the Vibe blender for recipes like this is that you can use more of the fruit. All we need to do is remove the peel and get rid of the seeds. We can put all of the rest of it into the Vibe blender. It's powerful enough to turn all of our ingredients into a really nice smooth juice without losing the benefits of the fiber. So I'm going to start peeling and de-seeding my fruit now. If you don't mind a really powerful citrus kick, then use just one orange. But if you want it a little sweeter and a little more palatable, or if you're serving it to kids, then you could put a couple more oranges in. I'm going to use 4 oranges today. You can make it the night before and you can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Now you can add your oranges straight to the blender jug. Now we're going to peel 1 lemon and get rid of those seeds as well. The lemon goes straight into the blender jug as well, and now I can prepare some ginger and turmeric. I'm going to peel about a 2 centimeter long piece of fresh ginger and about a 1 centimeter long piece of fresh turmeric. Add your ginger and turmeric to the jug as well, and finally we've got 1 to 2 teaspoons of MANUKA honey. Once you have all of your ingredients in the jug, you can put the lid on and we're going to blend it on smoothie mode for about 40 seconds. So after 40 seconds, that's all done now. Look at that color. You can tell it's going to be good for you. You can drink it straight away, or you can put it in the fridge covered for up to 3 days. This is really nice with some ice, or if you want to enjoy it just as a normal drink, it's really good mixed with some coconut water. So that's all there is to it. It tastes good, it's good for you. Give it a go at home and let us know what you think in the comments section below. As always, if you haven't already, hit subscribe now to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again next week for another Luvele Life recipe.